Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Trainings. In today's tutorial we are going to discuss on another topic, that is one hot encoding. Now this is very important and you can say very must know. Okay, in every engineer or every data scientist must know, or every learner must know what is one hot encoding. In the previous videos you have watched that what is label encoding, then data pre-processing and all that thing, train, test, split and all. Okay, so in this tutorial we'll see what is one hot encoding. It's very easy and we'll just understand in very simple manner. So to know the one hot encoding, first I will show you what exactly is one hot encoding using some image. Okay, I have just downloaded one image from the Google itself. Yeah, so this is a image that will represent the one hot encoding. So to understand this image, let's understand the original data first. Now original data has a color white, red, black, purple, gold. So this is the format that we see normally when we are assigning an Excel sheet or anywhere. Okay, if I want to write 5 colors, I will write like this. But if I give this kind of data to my machine learning model, it will just take time, or it will just do a lot of pre-processing on it. Okay, so to understand what is white exactly, what is red, what is black, what is the purpose of black, okay, why black is written, why B is small and B is big, or something like that. So to remove all these question marks from this original data, we do one hot encoding. Okay, one hot encoding is nothing but representing the data in the format of 0 and 1. You know, binary language is nothing but 0 and 1. So to represent this whole data in 0 and 1 format is called as a one hot encoding. Now in one hot encoding format, my white color is written as 10000. My red color is written as 01000. My black color is written as 00100. Okay, like this purple and gold are over here. Now from this data set we can actually drop this column. Okay, so that is nothing but called as a dummy variable trap. Okay, I will discuss in the next video or some upcoming videos over there. So now my white is represent as this data, my red is represent as this, black, purple, gold are represent as this. Okay, so now this become very easy to understand the model, or you can say the machine. Okay, what are the algorithm? We can just easily do feature scaling, or you can say do some mathematical operation on this data, but it was not possible on this data. Okay, so that's why we convert in this data. So that is the thing that we're going to do in this particular video. Okay, so let's see. I have just imported numpy and pandas over here, and that I am just creating the panda pd.read underscore csv one hot dot csv. Now this is a csv file present in my particular folder. Okay, I will just read this file over here. After reading, it will just show me the pop-up of that particular list. You can see over here there is a list of a b c d d. Okay, something like a b a. Okay, so these are some features and these are also some fare. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just do label encoding. Now label encoding is done in previous video also. Label encoding is nothing but we will represent each and every row or each and every element by using some number like 0 from 0. We'll start from 0 like that. So for that I am using sklearn pre-processing, and from that sklearn I am just importing one hot encoder and column transformer. Okay, so I will just column transformer, and this is the command that will just convert it into the thing that is known as one hot encoding. Okay, so here I will show you one example directly by using the this thing one hot encoding, and the second example I will just show you what exactly how we'll do the categorical features. Okay, so if I run this and if I get this, now you can see guys, my whole data is represented as 1 and 0. Please ignore that decimal point over here. Okay, it's nothing but 0.0 and 1.0. So it's representing 1 and 0 itself. 1 0 0 0, then 0 1 0 0, then 1 0 0 0. So you can see guys, my previous data was something like this, but now what I have done, I have just represent that A as 1000. Now it's very much easy to understand the machine model or machine algorithm, that this is nothing but A. Okay, so this thing is needed when we are going to solve any problem, machine learning model problem. So that is thing. Okay, I will just explain this column transformer. Column transformer will use the encoder. Okay, that one hot encoder is nothing but the function, or you can say the library present in sklearn. Okay, and remainder equals to pass through. What is pass through? Default it's given as a drop, but pass through is nothing but it will pass these data guys. I have not encoded this data because it's going to access this categorical feature over here. Okay, this is my normal data that we can say, so that's why it's giving as this thing over here, and the remaining data is got converted into one hot encode. That's a simple. Now you can just process the data. Now getting to second example, same thing I have just done. I have just imported one hot 2. Now this is a different CSV file guys. If I execute this, this is a list of names and opinion. Okay, now Jivan has opinion yes, Aditya no, Sohan yes, and Snehan yes. Okay, like that thing. Now I will just do the same thing again over here. Okay, now I will just label encode it. Label encoding, it's very simple. Just import label encode from pre-processing present in sklearn. Okay, now just make a variable, you can say define a variable that's le equals to label encoder. Now use that le to fit transform. Okay, this is a command to fit transform on which parameter? Name. Got a fit transform on which parameter? Opinion. And save in another data, that is names and answer. Okay, now if I execute this, if I execute data, it will give me names, opinions, and capital names and answers. So okay, so to do one hot encoding, we will need this thing, but we will not needed this thing. Okay, now these two columns are converted into these two columns, so I will just drop out this first two column. So to drop out the first two column, we'll need the pandas feature, that is data.drop, and just assign the columns name. Access equal to 1 is nothing but it will check all the column by it will check all the data by column wise. If you make it 0, it will check row wise. Okay, simple thing. So execute it and just see what is D present over here. Now D is nothing but names and answer over here. Now from sklearn pre-processing one hot encoder, same thing over here, same command. Okay, there is nothing change in it, and if I execute this, it will give me 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. Now these all are representing what? Basically names. Okay, it's representing basically name over here, so don't get confused. Yes no yes. Okay, this is basically my second column that is giving as you know that yes no yes. It's also converted over here, you can see on the last column 10111. Okay, now you can see there is only two columns, but here are total 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 7 columns. So this 4 will represent, okay sorry, 1 second, I will just check it. Yeah, 4 now. So this 4 will represent the names, and this last one is representing the my opinion over here. So like this you can just do the one hot encoding in your any model, and you can just pre-process your data in the format of one hot encoding, and we can use that data in the this manner. Now after doing this one hot encoding, okay, after doing this one hot encoding, you can use this data to your machine learning model, so that will give you better accuracy, plus your time will be increase of your machine learning model. So like this, there are the things in the machine learning. We'll discuss one by one and very small topic. So thank you so much for today. So we have discussed on one hot encoding. Sorry. So in my upcoming videos, we'll also discuss on OpenCV and other Python related videos. Okay, and my machine learning playlist will going on continuously. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And if you have any query, any questions, just comment in the comment box, or else you can follow me on other social media. Links are present in the description, and don't worry, the code will be given in the description itself. Thank you so much for today.